We give you the base, you make it to taste. Let's make salmon with yogurt sauce. We have 1 pound of salmon here with the skin on. We're adding a dash of salt and pepper, and then we'll make the yogurt sauce. First with 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt, not to be mixed up with vanilla, 2 tablespoons of fresh herbs, and we have optional mix-ins here. We have some Dijon mustard and some finely diced onion. Whoops, little dash there. Salt and pepper to taste. Clean that up. Mix that together in a nice creamy yogurt sauce with tons of flavor. We're going to spread the sauce to cover the salmon. And we cover the salmon pretty well, but if you have a little more than 1 pound, that's okay. Just spread it out the best you can so you get some yogurt in each salmon bite. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now bake it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes per inch of thickness. You'll see the yogurt kind of set on top. And always cook confidently, simplify nutrition, feel better to your taste.